I'm here with Jake Goodman, an advocate for gay rights, and what are you feeling today?
Well, I'm surprised that I'm feeling as emotional as I am, honestly, because I expected the decision to go this way, but I read some of Judge Vaughn Walker's decision, and his words were so beautiful, especially to me, the part where he said that the law, Proposition 8, which he overturned, is ridiculous. There's no reason for it to exist, especially because it creates this false sense of moral superiority that people have over same-sex couples. And I felt so exhilarated, and I'm shocked that I feel that way just over being equal.
Well, I have to say you did such a great job getting the crowd aroused here in New York, and it was a fantastic rally.
Oh.
Congratulations on all you do, and we'll be following you. We're going to put a link to their site up. We'll be showing this in its entirety. So look, there'll be a number of videos, so you don't have to watch all of it, but you can watch glimpses of it. And we're so proud of you. Thank you for much for doing
Thank you for coming out yourself.
I am here with the very handsome Mike DiSanto, who is here at the rally for Proposition 8, the overturning in California. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. This is a very exciting day, and you know it really encourages me to continue the fight for marriage equality here in New York. I am running against a fierce opponent of marriage equality, Senator Martin Gould in Brooklyn District 22. And, you know, we are going to send a clear message this November that bigotry and inequality will not be tolerated in New York State.
Well, listen, do what you can and vote for Mike, because we really need him in office. We need him to be successful. He's a great guy. Congratulations on your running.
Thank you.
We know you're going to win. We're going to put our support.
And if anybody would like to volunteer, they can visit my website, DiSanto2010.com.
Okay, we'll be putting up a link to that. We'll be putting it underneath him right here. Again, have a great campaign. We're all with you, okay? Thank you for coming to the rally. I'm here with Yetta Kurland, who is an amazing, amazing person. She is an advocate. She is an attorney for our civil rights. She does everything in the city to help us. How are you?
I'm great. How are you? It's a great day today, huh?
Oh my God, it's a fantastic day. I've never been more proud to be American right now, I think.
It's incredible. The U.S. Constitution, it's what it's all about.
That's right. And here we are in New York celebrating this. And what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts today? What are you feeling?
It was a 136-page decision that I poured through as quickly as I could. It came out maybe 2.5 hours ago. I need to go read it again, but it was one of the most uplifting and incredible decisions. It really reaffirms a sense of civil rights and just deep and profound gratitude that I have for the folks involved, both in litigating it, the plaintiffs who were courageous enough to stand up and to bring this action forward, as well as, of course, the judge who wrote the decision. It's just an incredible day.
And what do you think the chances are that we'll follow suit in New York and someday we'll have legal marriage in New York, that someday it'll happen?
Well, I think absolutely. This hopefully will galvanize us. September 14th is the big Democratic primary. People need to get out in their respective communities and vote for the candidates who support marriage equality. I also think that this decision is really important because while it happened in California, it was a federal decision, and that has implications for the overarching federal DOMA. If overturned, could in fact overturn DOMA, Defense of Marriage Act, for all of us throughout the nation, and really get rid of marriage inequality in this country.
Right, well, that's great. So we wish you. Where can we find out more about you and what you're doing?
You can go to www.yettakurland.com. You can shoot me an email at yettakurland.com, or you can go to Many's website, which is manyusa.org, and learn more about marriage equality if you want to get involved here in New York to help bring marriage equality on a state level here to New York.
All right, we all have to do our part. So really, go to those sites. Go to Broadway Speaks Out is also a great site, and marriageequality.com. And
get out on September 14th and vote for the marriage equality candidate in your neighborhood.
September 14th, everyone go vote. We need everyone's vote. Thank you so much, and congratulations. Thank you for pulling together a great evening.
Great night. Thank you. Yep.
Hi, this is Mike Cavnaugh with GayLifeNYC.org, and I'm here on this glorious day where Proposition 8 has been overturned in California by a California judge, and I'm here with Marti Cummings of Broadway Speaks Out. How you doing, Marty?
I am doing really well. It's this is a historic day. This is the civil rights movement of this generation and this decade, and I think it's really important that this decision was made. And this decision is going to lead to appeals that will eventually, I think, get to the National Supreme Court, which will not make it just a California issue, but a United States issue, which it is, and it's a human issue. And I think today is a very historic day.
It's amazing. I heard that people will not be able to get married right away, but it's only a matter of time, a couple more months.
There's a hold until all the appeals process is done, which could take a couple years, but that's okay because it's a step forward, saying that it's unconstitutional. So either way, it's going to happen.
And this is our first step, so it's awesome, and we're so glad to see you. And you're having a concert coming up, right?
I am, August 16th. I'm really excited. It's you've been to a lot of my events. It's my first solo show, so I'm pretty pumped.
Check him out. What date is it?
August 16th at 9:30. Check it out. MartiGouldCummings.com.
At the Duplex. Thank you so much, and thank you for doing all that you do in the community.
Thank you for what you do. I appreciate it. Thank you.